Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be making a 360-degree flay and a 720-degree flay. Please subscribe, like and share. Thank you. In making the flays, I used brown paper, Ankara material, a marker, a chalk, scissors, and a tape. Now I am going to illustrate on a brown paper what a 360-degree flay is all about. With this illustration, you can cut any size of flay that you want. So going around a circle is a 360-degree. To get this circle, I will fold the brown paper into two folds. This folding divides the circle into 4 parts. That is, any round measurement, be it your arm measurement or waist measurement, will be divided by 4. This is the first fold I'm making. And this is the second fold. My waist measurement is 38 inches. I divided 38 inches by 4, which gives me 9.5. I marked a rough estimate of 9.5 inches by curving my tape at both sides of the brown paper. I marked a point at one side of the brown paper, just as in the video. I measured the length from the top to the point, which gives me 6 inches. So I measured 6 inches from one end of the brown paper to the other side, just as I'm doing in the video. I use my free hand to join the points together. You can also use a French curve to connect the points. Now for the length of the flay, I'm using 7 inches plus 1 inch allowance, which gives me 8 inches. So I am marking out 8 inches all the way around, just as I'm doing in the video. So I use my scissors to cut through the point I marked. You can connect the point before cutting with your scissors, whichever way that is easier for you. I also cut out the curve that I made at the top of the brown paper. I use my scissors to cut out one part of the brown paper. Now this is the result, a 360-degree flay. You can attach this to your peplum top or any style that you are making. To make a 720-degree flay, we are going to add 360 plus 360. That gives us 720 degree. This means we need 2 flays to get a 720 degree. So my waist measurement is 38 inches. I divided 38 inches by 8, which gives me 4.75. Note that when you are cutting your 720-degree flay, you are dividing your waist measurement by 8. For the flay, I'm folding my material into 2 folds. I'm folding the first one, then the second fold, So I marked out 4.75 inches at the top of the material by curving my tape. I made a point at one side of the material, then I measured the length between the top and the point, which I got 2 inches. I used 2 inches to mark from one side of the material to the other side. So I made a curve by connecting the points together. The length of my flay is 7 inches plus 1 inch allowance, which gives me 8. So I mark 8 inches round the material. I made a curve by connecting the points together. I use my scissors to cut out the marked line. I'm going to use this flay to cut out the second one. For the second flay, I fold my material into 2 folds. Then I place the first flay on top of the other material. I use my scissors to cut out the line. Now I will cut out one part of the flay so I could combine the 2 flays together. When I combine these 2 flays, it will give me 720-degree flay with a round measurement of 38 inches. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.